in Trigonometry 3, it's a Form 4 chapter, and in this part, I would like just to dwell on the part where, the examiner wants us to solve trigonometric equations. I just want to dwell on this area where we are solving such kind of trigonometric equations, giving the values of x for a given range, as we have in this question. I know there are other areas where you have the graphs and all that. We will handle that in a different clip. Now, mainly here, I just want us to go through examples and see what there is for us to do. The first example says, solve this trigonometric equation 2 cos x equals to 1 for values of x between 0, greater or equals to 0, and less or equals to 360 degrees. Now, once given that problem, how do you approach? How do you get the answers? So this is how you go about it. Now, we have the expression is 2 cos x is equals to 1. And remember, this is very crucial, is a positive 1. Right? So now, when you get such a problem, you divide, you ensure that if there is this value here, you divide both sides by 2, you get this one by 2. So this one gives you cos x. So the cosine now asks nothing, it is only 1 here. The coefficient is 1 here. After dividing, shall be equals to a positive 0.5. Is equals to a positive 0. This is positive. Now from there, I have what I usually call the unit circle. In the unit circle, remember, we add angles beginning from 0. Yeah, we had 90 degrees. This was 180 degrees. This is 270 degrees, and then this one being 360 degrees. So positive direction, going in the positive direction is in the anti-clockwise, the positive angles, and clockwise for negative angles. Now, we add that in this first quadrant, all sines, all cosines, and all tangents are positive. Now, in the second quadrant, sines are positive, then cosines and the tangents are negative. In the third quadrant, we have tangents are positive, sines and the cosines are negative. And in the fourth quadrant, cosines are positive, sines and the tangents are negative. And usually the abbreviation add sugar to chocolate to make it easy. So here is A, S, T, and C. So now here is a point. We have a cosine which is equals to positive. This is positive 0.5. So it's a cosine. We don't know the value, but it is a cosine. That tells us the acute angle we get. We shall place it here because here is where cosines are positive. So our x, we shall bring it here, or it should be in the fourth quadrant because cosines are positive here and here. So you have your x here. So after I get my value of x, I have to place it here. I will get this angle, and then I'll place it here. I'll get this angle, right? So I get so from the normal calculator, x shall be equals to cos inverse of 0.5. X is cos inverse of 0.5, and the cos inverse of 0.5 is none other than 30 degrees. I think second shift 0.5. This is 60 degrees. So it should be 60 degrees. So that now being my 60 degrees, that this angle, I will take it here. So this one, I will place it here, 60 degrees. So from here, surely this angle now should be, this angle shall be 60 degrees. And then, now if I place 60 degrees here, right? If I place 60 degrees here, that will mean that this angle, which is the angle I'm interested in, shall be, if all the way to here is 360, then I have to subtract 60, and I'll get this one is 300 degrees. So this is 300 degrees. So 300, 360, then and now this is 60. So the values for my x are 2. Therefore, my answers, I have 60 degrees. That's one of the angles. The other angle is 300 degrees, right? So if I look at the range which I've been given, in which I should give answers for x, then the only two values are this: is either 60 degrees or x is 300 degrees. So in this kind of question, you will get many or more than one or more than two values for your answer, right? And then this angle could be 60 degrees. Then I can also go one round. I'll add 360 degrees to be 420, and also this one I can add one more round, becomes 360 plus 360, 300 plus 360 giving me 660. But those two will not fall in the category which I am interested. So for that case, this is my answer. Right. So the trickiest part, which you should remember, is recognizing where you place this value here, in which quadrant, and then once you place it, you get this angle. This is the answer you want, and also this is the answer you want. So you get two answers. So that is how you approach that. We can work on other examples.